Good morning, Junior 6. Today, inshallah, we are having a new spelling list, list 2, and it's talking about the same topic of the previous list, which is, who remembers? Yes, suffixes, yes. So suffixes is the same topic of today, but we're going to take more suffixes. In the previous list, we took ISH, ISM. We took many suffixes. Today we're going to add some to our information. Okay, let's start. Suffixes are ways to form new words, and suffixes are a group of letters added to the root word at the end to form a new word. Okay, so suffixes come at the end of the word or at the end of the root word. Today we are having some more suffixes. You can see here four in front of you. I want you to use your guessing or your sense to attach each suffix to the end of these words. So which one sounds more English or more correct? You will add it and try it. Okay. I found that this medicine is the most the most effective, the most effectance for colds. Which one sounds more English? Ah, of course, yes. So I will choose the IVE. So here my choice is IVE, effective. So the most effective for colds. Excellent. Let's try with the next one. She's absent. Can you explain her absence? Yes, of course. Can you explain her absence? Very good. So I added the ENC. Okay. Can you please pass the attend sheet, the attendment, the attentive, the attendance? Excellent. Can you pass the attendance sheet, please? So my attendance sheet, I added the suffix A and CE at the end. Very good. So we answered the three sentences correctly by our sense. Now let's keep the sense aside and go for studying. So we're going to study three suffixes. I added only meant for you to just to confuse you. I will talk only about the three, ENC, NC, and IVE, and we're going to add them to the end of words to change the meaning of them. Okay. Now we are going to leave this Microsoft Word page and we're going to go to our spelling booklet list 2. So now let's go to the booklet. Here it is. Okay, so that's spelling list 2. More suffixes to be added to our memory. I have IVE, ANCE, ENCE. The longest one is for IVE. Okay. Mostly junior 6 IVE added to the end of the word to change them into adjectives. Mostly, if not all the time, but mostly they are added to make adjectives. Let's start. Distinct. When something is distinct means it's different. If I want to have a new word, I will add the IVE to the end of the word so I have distinctive. So when something is distinctive means it's unique, it's one of a kind. So distinctive. Extent, the second word, extent. So to what extent, extent. To what extent do you love your car, for example? To what extent do you love the school? To what extent do you love English? So extent is the amount. What's the adjective I have is extensive. Extensive means far and wide. For example, the farmlands are extensive. Extensive means they are having very large space or they are so wide. Okay. Number 3, success. You know, success, like succeed, to pass, the noun. If I want to make it an adjective, the meaning will be completely different. So the adjective of it is successive. Successive means consecutive, as you can see here. What's the meaning of both words? Successive means one after another. Like, for example, my team has got 2 successive winnings. So they won the match 2 times after each other, successively. Okay. Impress. Impress is to amaze, to make someone amazed. He feels amazed. What's the adjective? Impressive. So her presentation impressed me. Her presentation was impressive. Okay. Progress and progress. Progress can be a noun and can be a verb having the same spelling, but they are pronounced differently. So if it's a noun, I'll say it as, take care, I'll say it as progress. So progress, the verb is progress. The verb is progress. Okay. What's the adjective? The adjective is progressive. The adjective is progressive. The like the project is achieving progressive steps. Okay, advancing, improving. The next word is create. So to create something is to do something no one else has done before you, to invent, to create. So he creates pieces of art. So this person is creative. Okay. Effect. So we have said this in the previous exercise. Effect is influence. So take care. Watching lots of TV has very negative effects on your health. Okay? So effective is the adjective. So take care. Sleeping early is so effective. Okay? So by this we have finished the IVE list. Let's go to A and CE. That's shorter one. And mostly A and CE and E and CE, they change the words to nouns. Let's see. Perform. Adil Imam performs a very nice role in his new play. So he acts, he makes this role. What's the noun? Performance. So his performance was amazing, was impressive, his performance. Disappear, disappearance. That's so easy. Disturb, disturbance. What's the meaning of disturb? To annoy. For example, you have come late to the class, so you disturbed us. You caused disturbance to the class. Inherit and inheritance. Inherit here, acquire is written for you, so I will make it easier for you a little bit. Inherit, for example, is to gain fortune after someone's death. My grandfather was so rich, and after he died, we inherited lots of money. So we took this after his death. The noun is inheritance. We gained a very big inheritance after my uncle's death. So inheritance means the fortune you gain after someone's death. And sometimes we talk about genes and physical traits. Like I inherit um, being cheerful from my parents, for example. Sometimes we say it figuratively about the traits. So inherit will become inheritance. Let's go to the last one, ENCE. We have only three words. Confident. Confident means, yes, you trust yourself. You have to be confident. What's the noun? Confidence. You have to have confidence. So I am confident. I have confidence. Okay. Refer. What does this pronoun refer to? That's like the famous question you have. So refer means denote, or like refer means to talk back or to talk about. Refer. My noun is reference. Reference is remarks. Like for example, you will have a research about animals. That's like nocturnal animals, for example. So take care. Your resources only are the library and the internet. So your references, the things you're going to refer to, are the library and the internet. Okay, the last word is depend. So usually you have to depend on yourself. Do not depend on others. Why? To have self-dependence. So depend, the verb, dependence, the noun, self-dependence. I have self-dependence. Excellent. So now I have three more suffixes to study: the IVE, the A and CE, the E and CE, and then you're going to have like 2 pages for the classwork and the homework. But before going to the exercises, you have to read it with me. I will read the sentence and you will read after me. Okay. Distinct, distinctive, distinct, distinctive, extent, extensive, extent, extensive, or extent, extent, extensive. Okay. Success, successive, impress, impressive, progress or progress, progressive, create, creative, effect, effective. The next suffix, perform, performance, disappear, disappearance, disturb, disturbance, inherit, inheritance, confident, confidence, refer, refer, reference, depend, dependence. Okay. Now you have a look at your classwork activity. Let's read the rubric. Write the right derivative. Derivative junior 6 means like part of a speech, noun, verb, adjective, etc. Then there might not be any changes. Sometimes we'll keep the word as it is. Tom's presentation was really impressive. Everybody was impressed. So in the first part of the sentence, I need an adjective to describe his presentation. So I will go for my suffix, huh? After studying, of course, you will realize it's IVE, impressive. Why? Because everybody was, huh? Everybody was impressed. Everyone was amazed by his presentation. And you'll go and you'll answer the same you will answer the rest of the question using the same technique. Okay, and the homework is easier. You will only add the missing letters. Again, I repeat, you have to study the list first and then you're going to answer the homework. So you'll add here the missing letters, and here you change the following words into nouns. So refer, reference, yes, I heard you, very good. And you'll go and you'll answer, sorry, the rest in the same way. Okay, so by this we have finished list 2, and we have only 2 more lists to finish the spelling booklet. So uh, it's about to finish. So that's all for list 2 about the suffixes. I hope that you understood most of what I said, and I hope that you will answer the classwork and the homework correctly. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.